Hello friends, in today's video I would be explaining how to make your Excel sheet speak. Yes, you heard it right. Very few people are aware about this feature of Excel. This is because this feature of Excel is hidden and therefore not widely used. For making your Excel sheet speak, we should first go to the File tab here, and then we will click on Options. On clicking Options, few icons will appear. Among these icons, we will select Quick Access Toolbar, and then we will search for Speak Cells. To find Speak Cells, we will select All Commands. Now we will search for Speak Cells. Here we will select both Speak Cell and Stop Speaking Cell, and then we will add them in Quick Access Toolbar. As we can see, these icons are now appearing here. To make the Excel speak, we will select the text and then we will click Speak Cells.
New Delhi is the capital of India. Virat Kohli is the captain of Indian cricket team. Full form of CBI is Central Bureau of Investigation. We should wear mask to protect ourselves from corona.
Now in case we want to stop Excel speaking, then we will click on Stop Speaking Cells like this.
New Delhi is the capital of India.
Now I will click
Virat
on
Kohli
Stop
is
Speaking
the captain
Cell.
of Indian cricket team. Full form of
Now you can see Excel stopped speaking. In case of any doubt, you may ask same in comment section.